all, welcome to Let's Eat. To get more such videos, do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. We also have courses from different subjects. Do check them out on our website www.letseat.com. Let's start with today's session.
History doesn't lie. You all must have heard these lines. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. And early bird gets all the worms. If you are a late bird and have a lot of problems in your life, I am sure your parents have just one solution for that. Get up early and all your problems will be solved. But they never say how exactly this will work. What are the benefits of waking up early? And what are you supposed to do by waking up early? Friends, today we are here with 11 benefits of waking up early. First, positivity. Do you remember the feeling of getting up before the sunrise, the chirping of the birds and being around with nature? All of this adds a sense of calmness and positivity in our body compared to waking up late. This positivity and calmness helps you to start your day in a good mood. There are so many famous personalities like Dalai Lama, Richard Branson, Tim Cook, Bob Iger, Indira Nooyi, Barack and Michelle Obama. All of these are successful early risers. Point number 2. Do you know when you get up early, it leaves you with so much extra time compared to waking up late? When everyone is sleeping and you get up at 5:30, you have so much extra time. You have to utilize this time properly. Now, what should one can do with this time? You have to do 3 things. First is exercise, second is plan your day, and third is self-growth. You have to do some high-energy exercise that allows a lot of blood flow in your body. Exercise releases endorphins too, which are feel-good hormones, making you start your day in a good mood as well. Also, exercise increases the synthesis of BDNF by 3 times, and it is proven that BDNF helps in reducing the stress levels. You have goals? Well, if you don't, then you should get one. And there is no better time to plan them than in the mornings. Planning your entire day in advance can help you to achieve your goals faster and better instead of waking up late. That leaves us with unachievable and unfinished goals. This early in the morning, when you have a lot of peace and silence, you should focus on making yourself a better person by reading something and learning something new. You can listen to biographies of successful people, read books, etc. This is the time when you have least amount of distraction. No phones, no emails, nothing, because the entire world is sleeping. It is important for you to learn something new every day if you want to match the pace of this faster growing world. 6. Well, with lesser distractions, set goals and a well-planned day, your productivity enhances, rather than a lot of distractions, unset goals and unplanned day. Are you one of those people who gets up at 7:45 and run for work at 8 with a big cup of coffee in their hand and later faces extreme acidity due to lack of food in your stomach? This also makes your entire body to crave for unhealthy and junk food. When you get up early, you have enough time to prepare yourself a good and healthy breakfast that will help you to go through the entire day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Hence, having a healthier breakfast helps to have healthier life. Also, if you observe the people in villages, they feel less ill when compared to the people in city, as they get up early and they are more close to the nature. Also, when you eat healthy, it keeps your stomach, that is the digestive system, good. This also avoids a lot of diseases. Point number 8. Improved quality of sleep. You may feel that I'm just kidding about this, asking you to wake up early and saying improved quality of sleep? Hold on, let me explain. For a couple of days, it may be a little difficult when you are in the transition phase. But when your body clock is set, You will not even require an alarm clock to wake up at 5:30. Human body has its own body clock. Once you start getting up early, you tend to sleep also early. This habit will also help to have better and improved quality of skin. Getting up early adds a glow on your face. 10. For the students out there, when you get up early, you can do your homework in the morning and without any chaos, and you can have plenty of time to play in the evening. You can also study in the morning, as learning in the morning is considered as the best time. Last but not the least, start to meditate. Even if you start with 5 minutes initially, that will also work. Now before I go, let me just tell you that if you're a night owl and that works for you, you may continue with that. In our upcoming session, we will discuss a few points on how to exactly manage to get up early. Till then, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Don't forget to like the video, comment down any more benefits that you may come across, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon and never miss another update from Let's Tute. Thanks for watching.